All right. Yay. Okay, here we go. Hello, my friends. Yeah, there we go. We got it. Um, so do you ride a bike as part of your exercise routine or just for fun? And what are the necessary items you have with you on your bike ride? I mean, my main essentials are my phone, which I did not bring out here, my water bottle. Um, I usually have my bug spray. And unless I'm really doing a long drive with my hubby, then I'll carry my Breathe Rollerball for my seasonal threats. So, hello and welcome. I'm Footie coming to you with our weekly cup of inspiration. Since I'm doing a recording for this evening, I thought it would be nice to be outside. It is gorgeous. It's beautiful. Yeah, if I was using my phone, then I would show you. I mean, the clouds are just beautiful. No rain. No rain. Um, so anyway, on my bike ride, I always have my water bottle. Always, always, always. To avoid, being dehydrated in this hot weather, especially, that I'm in Florida. Um, if you don't drink enough water, your muscles will just poop out on you. You won't have enough energy. So do you drink plain water or do you add something? Um, and as you all know, my go-to is the lemon oil, but I've been using the Metapower oil in my water lately. I really love it. It's kind of replaced my apple cider vinegar, which I never thought would happen, but yeah, I really don't drink my apple cider vinegar anymore. Um, Now, if I'm riding around my community, I don't worry about bringing everything but the kitchen sink with me. But if Roger and I bike during the day, when I know we will be out for an extended period, that's when I'll bring my Breathe and sunscreen. Uh, so, and the reason I bring the sunscreen is, you know, it's really something that you should think about, protecting yourself from the harmful UV rays. That's like my number one issue. I even swim with a shirt on. You can never be too careful down here because unfortunately, too many people here develop skin cancer because they are not used to this intense sun. So I love the new face and body sunscreen. It's comes in a stick like a deodorant stick. It's perfect. Easy to roll on all over your body. I especially love it for my face. It's water resistant and the sun protection is up to 80 minutes, which is perfect like if you go to the beach, which I love. But anyway, so I wanted to make a DIY video for you on how to put together the basket cover that I made to put all these things in. I made one up yesterday. It was so easy. It's not like it's my first time making this. No. And the supplies are simple. And um, all you need is a tea towel, any type of tea towel. Don't spend a lot of money on this because it's going to be out in the weather. You could use a placemat, which I really like to use, but I didn't have one that I could sew up, so I just used a tea towel. Silk flowers or anything that you want to decorate, the outside cover. You don't even have to do that if it has a print. But I like to add flowers, ribbon to tie for the ties for each corner. And then you can add like two safety pins if you feel that you need to, you know, um, secure it more inside your, the metal basket. You want a hot glue gun, a sewing machine. You could do all this by hand if you had to. Thread to match the material, that's important. And then a pair of scissors. Um, and I'm going to show you the video, but I'm just going to explain because I don't think the video really shows you exactly, what I'm doing. It may, but I just thought that I would give you a visual. So you want to fold um, your tea towel in half. You want to make sure that, like, see, mine says tropical life. So I had to make sure that that was in the front. Okay. The back, it doesn't really matter. Okay. So that's the first thing you want to do. Then the back, you're going to, let me see if I can pull this down like this. So then the back, what you're going to do is you're going to fold this up. Whoops. You're going to fold this up close to the top. It doesn't have to be all the way to the top. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pin the sides and you're going to draw a line down the middle. Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to stitch here, and then stitch down the middle. That's so easy, right? It's so easy. And like I said, maybe you could even hot glue it. I don't know. But anyway, this is all I did. And that way now I have 2 pockets versus 1. You could have 1, but it might get a little flimsy, So I think it's better to have the 2 so it's more secure. Yeah, and then you could put your water bottle in it. You could put your your TerraShield bug spray. You could put your sunscreen. You could put your phone, and then you're ready for a bike ride. Okay. So yeah. So let me think. What else did I do? Oh. So then at the top here, I stitched ribbon about. I think I measured 16 inches. You can just play with that. So if you look. Here's my bike cover. See the ribbon on the corner? And then I did it on the bottom as well so that I could loop it through the hole of my basket. And then that way I could make sure it was secure so that it didn't go flying up in the air. That's the only reason I added the ribbon. Now, what I want to do is I want to share my screen. Okay. Let's see. This, I'm not sure I'm doing it right, but let me see. I haven't done this in a long, long time. Okay. I've got my good glasses on so I can see. I have the worst time seeing. All right. Huh. All right, let me stop screen because I'm having trouble seeing. My eyesight is not the best. I wonder what I did with it. Oh, I know. I'm looking in the wrong spot. I know. Share screen. Here we go. I got it. Okay. All right. No, that's not it. It's awful. Yesterday, remember, I thought I saw a log and it was a huge alligator with his mouth wide open. That was so funny. Oh my gosh. And that was huge. My husband took a picture of it and I could not believe it. Ah, here we go. All right. I'll get better at this. I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to learn. Okay. I don't know how to make this bigger. Ah, yay! I know how to do it. Right, pin the sides. Then you're going to draw a line down the middle. It's right here. Oh, what did I do? Did I touch something? Then I glued these little foamy things, that pineapples, and I glued some flowers. Can't see it, but I right there where I tied I cigarette ribbon. Now I have two pockets, and I can put all my goodies in there. Perfect. All right. Stop share. Yay! That came out all right. Oh, good. Let me see. Now it's funny. Now things are popping up on my screen. Okay, so see how easy that was? Um, I know it was fun and it was easy. And I did this when we first moved here. I made a basket, but I used a placemat. And so it was really sturdy. But then after thinking about it, it's unless you're going to be carrying a lot of heavy stuff, I don't see that it's not necessary to have it really sturdy. A cheap tea towel is all you need. Um, because they're not going to last unless you're going to take it off every day and put it in the house. And I'm not going to do that. But I almost forgot. So let's talk about bug spray. Okay. I love the TerraShield spray for keeping the bugs off me. So it includes citronella, um, um, thyme. Oh my gosh, thyme. You know, I always smile when I think about thyme because I read it is thought to impart courage to its bearer. Time was given to knights and warriors by ladies of the Middle Ages before they went into battle. And I thought to myself, it's like wearing TerraShield to go into battle with bugs. I know. It also has peppermint, cedarwood, and geranium. So, listen, I spray it on my clothes, my legs, my arms, and any other parts of my body, even my hair. I cover myself with it because I just don't, the bugs just chew me alive. Now, years ago, I used to make a bug and tick spray when Roger and I did bird watching walks with his bird club when we lived upstate New York. Let me tell you something, those bugs thought I was dessert. Um, and I was always worried about ticks too. Well, what am I saying? They still think I'm dessert. So anyway, this is a recipe you might try. Lemongrass, eucalyptus, peppermint, and TerraShield oil. 20 drops of each. Yep. And then just top it off with some water. Then I had found this one on the internet years ago. It was 20 drops of lemongrass and 20 drops of eucalyptus with 4 ounces of water. And then you just shake it in a bug spray, in a little spray bottle. And it's safe for dogs too. That was the best part about that. So, okay, my friends, as always, if you have any questions about anything this evening, you can post in this thread. All the recipes will be in our member group, so you can go check that out later. I would love to hear what you carry on your bike if you are a bike person. You should try biking. There's quite a few of us here at Pembroke. We don't have a club or anything. Maybe they do. I don't know. I know I'm not interested in joining any bike groups because I don't like being on a strict schedule. But anyway, it's fun. I've been going like 2 times a day because I get all excited. And I'll walk in when it's cool. I probably should start walking in the morning because the mornings are really heavenly here. So, okay, my friends, remember to spread inspiration and kindness throughout your day. I love you all. Oh my gosh. When you see this, we'll be in Orlando. Our grandson Charlie is in a play, and that's what we'll be watching. Okay, bye.